the latest around transfer news the ekoso the boba ene the ekwakosie nyina no ahaya na yede ma wo na yadom suko ama wo so atimi anya ntiase enya hunumu efa enuoma hodo wo so otimi ye ansa na wo so atimi aka player bi ama na ba bisi akan e de ama oboboko de edi kan Marco Verratti on the day screen you see na no ada na de betu dwa se Marco Verratti 30 million euros ana Alaliphone de buy omo de buy na let me say scan na so bo predator nchen baby enya abotre didi nkomo because PSG hu ni say the price no any the amount of money omo de aba no e din sem fata player bi ti say Marco Verratti omo heard the amount of money e de top midfielders bi na omo gitum say Marco Verratti de no say mo peja ene na omo so kodadwen ho na ena no pe omo bo mo kuto omo sem 45 million euros na 45 million euros no enuru kra na say Kalafi catch omo so omo first can sign emfa na omo gitum say 45 million euros no e was sempa e de ma player bi ti say Marco Verratti ti PSG is still holding on to Marco Verratti omo gitum say person signing na a 65-70 million euros no ana omo betime ja brand na ama na be si akai de amount Saudi for no enko no mo toto omo nyoma ye no mo sambra it bed ne de omo prato chen baby na eno na Neymar dos Santos Junior eno ansem bebre na mabonti Neymar se obekọ Neymar se obe sei Neymar ye sei ba no kro won pa na ye Saudi abi Neymar officially encanche Paris Saint-Germain so be free club ni
on kan bibia
officially on canche na say Kalafi se na say Kalafi ba bi aduru me pese me ko dabi it is an assumption fit last summer eba akwakọ ese mutual understanding bi wo omumienu ntam ne ese drum bi e wo se me moving on na PSG assume say this particular summer ene ye key edema Neymar so no betime free club no betime free marco PSG do you open to selling would be between 50 to 65 million euros ba PSG budget no so scanim na Neymar ba Neymar na nkasa free Paris Saint-Germain or ni so de hunu say wanya Saudi Arabia ho ne ba bia nkwa Premier League no ordinary book ba na nipa da Barcelona for so sanke ho ana konya obesa kwakoye de akwakosi akan Barcelona enim what it takes to get Neymar dos Santos so ba be si akan dia momo omo ya aware the salary oba nyoma be kekan wa bebo nyina no omo ya aware of that particular amount of money e kan wa eba Neymar dos Santos Junior no mka so mo register na omo betimi aye dey aye but as it stands officially on can be beyond franchise Paris Saint-Germain nothing is advanced between Neymar dos Santos and any club and I'm say Chelsea for na Chelsea Neymar dos Santos omo didi nkomo we che some person mo ne ba Mauricio Pochettino mo tena se din nyoma bia omo ni se da bi omo de Neymar ba omo so now they are moving on and they are doing other transfers omo priority remains Moises Caicedo that is with Neymar dos Santos Junior in subsequent weeks if something should open up and come out ya na ebesa dia bro but assistance there is nothing advanced between Neymar and any club Neymar officially enka bibian franchise Paris Saint-Germain so pese o free club nim ekokosi akan mo bi foforo then Abu Edson Alvarez.
Yes.
Onam kwemu awoba na Midikaka said there's a need for a compromise between West Ham and Ajax because Brighton and Caicedo push on two different occasions. When you akonya and free club ni man fan ko pie club or na adwen so woko. It's West Ham the buy and na Ajax nye na adwen so be gina swatch bebre. The edi kai Borussia Dortmund adwen so mun chess kana man embroso. Then we saw Chelsea susu be at some point in time getting to the last summer no ekwako wie no moko ball punu ni mo amfa e ma ne tonight this time around 35 million pounds Edison Alvarez one ne nkofo na flight mo bay iti Abu Dhabi o ma be lande e wo ye England enche bia na se London ho no o ma be medicals na bibia koyi e dia mo na be replacement for Declan Rice and Abu Dhabi to get a player of this quality na obetua ne ka not more than 90,000 pounds a week there. I think West Ham have done a very good job. So someone said to me, Edison Alvarez.
That be a year the man we all be on Aya so na ska 7 or 4.
Aya Sanka 90,000 pounds a week, you know, which is approximately 100,000 euros, which in just Aya has between us and and their players, most of them are not even on that particular kind of salary. But I heard the English market, the quality Nekutana, he's an international. He's an international. Otimibo as a centre back or as a CDM. And you know the quality of Kutano, experience in the Champions League. And Kawa expect some go free ayas, no. I would have so free ayas, they also typical Champions League club. Now Okola Kusiaka, but he's coming to West Ham, that is playing in the Europa League, that just won the Conference League. And per standard, no, KB Akadi, West Ham club to 2 ayas, one West Ham here drop off ayas, but he still chose to be there and the amount of money. West Ham have done a good deal and Alvarez will be there. Moises Caicedo, and no refuse trade in one call. and on one side go training cry. On the end, the honest or someone told me from Chelsea. Brighton to Subabi or Mujana, yes, and yes, in your day. Yen Tom. Yes, almost 500 million in your day. Embra. But there is something going on behind the scenes. Abu Brighton and Chelsea didn't come do cheaper. Or what didn't come do cheaper. It's more or less about the structure Chelsea person or this caliber. Chelsea doesn't want to pay 100 million flat. Say the Bema Brighton a position so many be a 5 million add-ons be a 10 million add-ons be account. Chelsea person mujina a position where they are offering 100 million pounds in totality now. Upfront fee, no, they are not going to pay so much. It will be a cost of 90 million pounds. Now call the 10 na a day. Atato na 100 no. Na no miss structures na konebra ye ma onye say sa na we twetwe ne na ase. By Brighton nya Caicedo better na because in getting replacement as at this particular time. Abu, I know say Brighton will get it, but how fast are they going to be about it? Send them so na also mo because we lose two key midfielders if Caicedo should join McAllister. Kudus the end there. Wababe playing by Kudus is not going to be a replacement for Caicedo. Yan fancy a trim. Kudus ain't a replacement for Caicedo. Kudus plays in a different position aside Caicedo. Kudus bet him as a number 8. More or less, bet him boy in the role of McAllister, you know, but not as a deep lying playmaker though. But bet him an advanced number 8. I know bet him so a ball as a right winger. I know bet him so a ball and see so position no as a number 10. At some point in time, maybe able to be on person more than the bono. What did they mention? I said, to the multimedia and see so born number 10, to the multimedia in the core wings, especially when Buanate Mu and in our woman, or multimedia in the bed Finka. Kudus can fit in the front four in or bet him so about as a force number 9. It's Kudus the end day and yet direct replacement for Caicedo. They'll be looking for another replacement. And Amidika said no more Tyler Adams. But as it stands, the hamstring injury of Tyler Adams, I'm an quite questionable for Brighton and Hove Albion. It's Caicedo on Chelsea the end day. Put an eye on it, say a bit to me, I escalate a lot of things within the next 24 to 48 hours. It is a make or break for Brighton and Hove Albion to make sure. Sa Brighton no beti mejano kamanako. Chelsea pay Tyler Adams ni na no mako di unkomo. The release clause at 20 million pounds. Abu, this can be a very good depth for Chelsea in terms of quality. One, he's the captain of the US national team.
Yes.
And way about technicalities, Abu Dhabi or a technically good player.
So, Wafa academy system.
Wafa academy system. And also some level of tenacity, being aggression, be to press so well. And Abu, Obey squad of the match Chelsea and also Beshambia, he's a quality in there for them. And Chelsea are exploding. The only thing Chelsea will need to do now, so Mbeko, see a trigger clause. Say not triggering the clause in the Crampuna, Mbeko. No, Mama, Leeds United and we see a penalty structure saying yeah, the day. Yeah, the better. It Chelsea are very much interested and inclined in signing Tyler Adams. Personal terms wouldn't be a problem between Chelsea and Tyler Adams. Romelu Lukaku ni Dusan Vlahovic, Abu Dhabi. In Komona Koswa, medical between say Lukaku lawyer no, and necessarily because he wants to satisfy Juventus because Makosha Mobobi. But Chelsea for no so see internally no. Pochettino mo here na on Egbali in particular. Egbali and Pochettino. Omo nyim tum se Vlahovic bo mo Chelsea.
Sano mo huno. And number 2, the financial package involving the deal no. As a Juventus person mo krokro de don. Omo so mo swap na Abu Dhabi. Chelsea no for 40 million euros in so. Which means Vlahovic 75 no. Ano mo person mo je 75 na je say Lukaku ni 35. Na Vlahovic na 40 million euros. O Juventus wo akoshe bo so de obi beba. Lawyer na pekwa obefa so obetima ma asundua adam ntemu so amam ne wazimi akoyi ama swap na timi akoso so a price na Juventus quoting for 40 million euros na Abu Dhabi. Chelsea for net na se wedi na 40 million euros for Dusan Vlahovic. On where last season the pro prayer and 10 goals no say na he's a very good striker but onye Mauricio Pochettino style of striker bia na need do na den. So Juventus will need to calm down and find a way to convince Chelsea or Egbali, any Pochettino in particular, to accept Dusan Vlahovic, Ebe plus Eddie Amomo, 45 million pounds for Lavia. Liverpool do coin as Southampton their tone chain. If Liverpool should present 50 million euros as add-ons can Southampton is ready to accept. 45 million euros now, Liverpool do coin as the third bid no. Now add-ons also count, so add-ons in the main 45 no. Now they'll need to up it and get to the 50 million euros and no ana Southampton so omuhia. Tu say Jamie Carragher mu nyina abu afu ababonte abetwetwe zembi say so ani abrese o person sign play your target 50 million, why don't you pay for it? Now the FSG for ne ye ne de no Carragher ne de oni omunya adwe ye kra. So if you need a player, you pay for the player And who said there's a story that Manchester United is linked and interested in Lavia. No, Ukraine is a Manchester United. Yes, it is true Manchester United in Lavia, but there is no concrete as it is assumed.
Oh, okay.
Say one for a dream, we say as a Manchester United changing the terms can no. The priority of Manchester United to sign in the midfield, Rabat. Southampton is using Man United, or the sources closer to Lavia is using Man United to push Liverpool. So make it come no matter. Nintia me and said the fourth bid will go in. Liverpool the fourth bid never call, and it will be closer to the 50 million pounds now. Southampton by this one there. Liverpool bet try and commit me on the 40-10 or even 45-5. And as a communion and 35-15 crown as some betty chamber for a number of years. No more team Trebia. They will do that particular deal and make sure someone they love you. Harry Maguire and Scott McTominay. West Ham, Ajis Capudo. No more main priority near somebody replacing Declan Rice. Now they have Edison Alvarez. Now I don't know Abu Dhabi, Harry Maguire, and no more times 60 million pounds that Manchester United say. Never say yes, it is a verbal offer. It will be no, Yabama 60 million pounds to see a Harry Maguire and Scott McTominay. Now Manchester United really didn't know see them. More the calculate the 30 aba for Scott McTominay. Ya pray there two baby. More the 20 aba for Harry Maguire. Pray there two baby. Munko na Musa Fambra. Abu Manchester United and West Ham bet finding a compromise at 75 million pounds, which means 70 million pounds plus maybe 5 million pounds add-ons. The 10 years so almost here 35 million pounds for Harry Maguire. West Ham almost 30. They are not too far away in terms of the 5 million pounds. Then Scott McTominay so 30 no. Manchester United say there be just a 40 million pounds. And a better convention mo say Scott McTominay basically. And then there is going to be a direct talks between John Murtough and West Ham on penny for David Moyes is insisting on Harry Maguire and Scott McTominay to come into the team. And no push us scanner that one. One, they have the Premier League experience. Number two, are they up to the homegrown players? And when we know the experience with internationals and Scott McTominay now in the free club.
Yes.
And I Ferguson assemble catch David Moyes some time ago. So her Scott in no time. What be 100 million pounds player?
It's
only Scott McTominay. And Omuni said James Ward-Prowse the price normally at no was so. Na Omunya Scott na Omunya Harry Maguire can one. Harry Maguire na man forecast ni wages no person better so. Now Harry Maguire is inclined in going to West Ham. One, he fully understands that Manchester United is why the first choice centre back. Number two, Harry Maguire who is next year Euros so. If he does not get much more playing time, the rise of players be to say level in the setup no. If John Stones is playing as the right centre back now, Bobo as the left centre back. Koro enya consistent, enya strong form at the Chelsea. Opposition no might be at risk, and he might do better to make sure send your mabeti me akoye at the amount. Then the video I catch up with a mass 100 million more fan to baby. He's looking for 130 million euros for a hurricane Germany for ne kasa baba and the on travel Kobo Bianca part of Nibi Uncle Bobby.
Yes.
And Uncle Bobby. And it is not related to it is not really related to the transfer. It's Germany for the near G oh Debbie. Then the level holidays or Miami. What you do no cry on few. Balogun na Monaco for Tanasia, on terms come from Monaco for that time 25 million euros plus 5 million euros add-ons diako. As na for the whole would obviously Debbie, mo first calling to Balogun or Brosa. In Tamland bid or mo prepare 35 million euros plus 5 million euros add-ons. That is the deal Balogun is waiting for. That is the deal Arsenal is waiting for. Omoji two say in Tamland 35 plus 5. Scalan Komodo for Lukaku no. And Omodo for Balogun. Monaco for any brini na embolo injury na wakakokunya ACL. So he's out for most part of the season and they'll need to make sure that they get replacement as soon as possible. Jose Akan who be Ojam offer on any Menja Matic and Yabete.
I don't say Matic in Yan.
On any Menja Matic and Yabete. O say yes, she about the pre-season. Unyasu were pra. Or she share Mudia so Unyasu pra, Unya didn't come over Chisunya Reno Beko. And they are dressing room now, more warning in a say be on one. Or when you say Italy for no. Omo ye group kokos bi o hono ma ono ne menja match no hu ni say next season ran M1 dressing room no ojam so ahwe ni din ojam say na so omo team na akọ obi o 8 million euros bi manifest camera
no me format fa na ko iti ojam de oni nua ntam de se de obi anka omo from Chelsea days abe people Manchester United or na ba nyina no ojam na party ti so lastly ma me fa Bernardo de nsi one ka woka me ya bo me ye ni mi nyina bo me be kan how Ike Gandogan the story no koye ya a money free Manchester City in terms of the number of years Manchester City was offering. And yeah, about all our money.
It's all about years for these players. City air offer Bernardo Silva more years, not 2 + 1. Am I ready? So my money 3 + 1.
Oh, okay.
Kawoka, nanke 1 + 1. Oma Madrid so mema Kawoka 2 + 1. Or Pekron bet money 3 + 1. What did they mention as no? And these players love more years. Omo pese Gandogan the ni bibesi. Acquire 1 + 1 na Eche Barcelona mo career. Na Barca for niti. They want to be smart and Omasa offer omo quite an increment on their salaries to make sure some better now. Bernardo Silva will agree and stay. Oh, Manchester City. Kawo can still. I'm too sure because Abante na why I was say he wants to join Bayern Munich. But I believe Bayern Munich so the omo dey entice Kawoka 2 + 1.
And no one they found.
And no one they found. But in terms of secretary, and they are not going to pay more than Manchester City pays Kawoka.
Mate, me da se pa nana komia.